The world of ophthalmic devices is rapidly evolving to meet the needs of 21st century procedures. Incisions are getting smaller, pushing the boundaries of modern devices. Precision silicone components are critical during many procedures. For decades, Saint-Gobain has been leading the way with innovative manufacturing of custom specialty components for ophthalmic devices. Our tooling expertise ensures novel tool designs with precise shutoffs, intricate features, and minimized flash. While our metal 3D printing allows for rapid prototyping of silicone molded parts, which enables the faster design cycle for customers. As the fluid dynamic requirements change around irrigation and aspiration port infusion sleeves, Saint-Gobain's advanced manufacturing methods provide specialty designs for aspiration ports. We can provide rapid prototypes of varied designs to aid our customers in determining the best options for control of fluid dynamics.